Hey quizzers! Welcome back to the Quizzer Space. Can you guess all animals by emoji? Get ready for 60 ultimate levels of excitement. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Guess the insect from these two emojis. Absolutely right! It's a butterfly. New challenge. Can you spot the odd butterfly on this level? Wow, that butterfly is different. What animal do these two emojis represent? Correct! It's a snail. Can you guess the animal from these emojis? Right! It's a bear. Identify the animal shown in these emojis. Yes, it's a pig. What animal do these three emojis represent? Exactly! It's an elephant. Look at these four emojis. What animal is it? Indeed! It's a fox. Which animal do these three emojis depict? Absolutely! It's a tiger. Now find the tiger among all these foxes. Easy! There it is! Guess the animal from these emojis. Correct! It's a horse. What animal do these emojis represent? Yes, it's a seahorse. Identify the animal shown here. Absolutely! It's a wolf. What animal do these three emojis show? Right, it's a giraffe. Guess the animal represented by these emojis. Yes, it's a frog. Which animal is shown in these emojis? Correct! It's a parrot. What animal do these emojis depict? Absolutely! It's a bulldog. Guess the animal from these emojis. Correct. It's a beagle. Find the odd beagle emoji on this level. Yes, that's a bulldog. What animal do these 3 emojis represent? Right, it's a lion. Can you guess the animal shown in these emojis? Exactly, it's a chameleon. What animal do these 3 emojis depict? Correct, it's a turtle. Identify the animal represented by this emoji. Yes, it's a whale. Which animal do these 2 emojis represent? Absolutely! It's a dolphin. Spot the odd dolphin emoji on this level. Perfect! It's a shark. Guess the animal from these emojis. Correct! It's a monkey. What animal do these 2 emojis represent? Right, it's a zebra. Which animal is shown here? Correct, it's a badger. Look at these 3 emojis. What animal is this? Yes, it's a kangaroo. What animal is represented by these 2 emojis? Right, it's an eagle. Guess the animal from these emojis. Absolutely, it's a squirrel. Find the odd emoji among these squirrels and acorns. Fantastic! It's a hazelnut. Which animal do these 2 emojis show? Correct! It's a swan. What animal is depicted by these 3 emojis? Yes, it's a panda. Guess the animal represented by these emojis. Absolutely! It's a chicken! Identify the animal shown here. Correct! It's a deer! What animal do these 3 emojis represent? Right, it's a spider. Spot the spider hidden among these sunflowers. Sharp eyes! There it is on the left. What animal do these 2 emojis show? Yes, it's a toad. Which animal is represented by these emojis? Correct! It's a jellyfish. Identify the animal depicted by these emojis. Right, it's a mouse. Guess the animal represented by these emojis. Absolutely! It's a rhino! What animal do these 4 emojis represent? Yes, it's a flamingo. Which animal is shown by these emojis? Correct! It's a seal. Guess the animal depicted by these emojis. Yes, it's a hamster. Guess the animal represented by this emoji. Correct! It's a sheep. Find the odd emoji among these sheep. Victory! That's a ram with horns. What animal do these emojis represent? Correct! It's a penguin. Which animal is represented by these emojis? Yes, it's a stork. What animal do these emojis depict? Right, it's a sparrow. Which animal do these 2 emojis depict? Absolutely, it's an owl. Spot the odd owl emoji on this level. Amazing! There it is. Guess the animal from these emojis. Absolutely! It's a cow. What animal do these three emojis represent? Correct! It's a panther. Which animal is depicted by these emojis? Right, it's a peacock. What insect do these two emojis represent? Absolutely! It's a beetle. Guess the animal represented by these three emojis. Correct! It's a grasshopper. Which animal do these emojis show? Yes, it's a raccoon. Look at these three emojis. What animal is this? Right, it's a beaver. Which emoji on this level is repeated twice? Of course, it's a pie. What insect is represented by these two emojis? Correct, it's a dragonfly. Great job, friends! Now is the perfect time to pick the next quiz. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss more fun videos. See you in the next quiz. Good luck!